Well, this right angle does say it's impact rated, so guess where it's going. Let's go test it out on some tires. The trailer tire should do. Well, check this out. Nothing. Won't work. Impacting off the bolt. Interesting. Well, tire lug nut. Interesting. Alright. Yep. I'll take off a regular bolt. Just nothing high torque apparently, but it does survive an impact. So, regular bolt, fine. Lug nut? No. Kinda to be expected anyway. So even though I'm a little disappointed that it couldn't take off a lug nut, what do you expect? It's fine. It'll help me on right angle, and look at these screws. They're Torx, yet you can still use a flathead screwdriver with them. Why bother? The gearing feels metal to me. What say we take this head apart? Sound good? Alright, hold on. Alright, this is the tabletop no tripod edition. So let's see what we can do here. Take this apart. Let's check out the gearing. I mean, they have the screws right here. I figured that it'll let you grease it. All right. Sorry, thumb was in the way. Oh, the screwdriver, a little too big for these screws. Should find a smaller one. But already on number 3. Maybe when I put it back together, I get a smaller screwdriver, smaller head anyway. Last one. Alright. I've never taken this apart before, like I have some people do for their video. Let's see what's in here. Yeah. Just your standard gear. Yeah. Okay. And it's metal, which is good. Thus the impact rating. Because you never know, some companies might go cheap. So yeah, okay. I'm going to pause this thing, put it back together. Okay, so yeah. Pretty happy with it, and also that head is metal. The body is plastic, of course. So I'm pretty happy with it. I'm glad I didn't go with the DeWalt version because same thing. Same damn thing. DeWalt's more expensive. Maybe the body's metal and DeWalt, I don't know. But for what I'm going to use it for, it doesn't matter. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that jazz.